Hi there, in this video we are checking out the super popular meat thermometer. Spoiler alert, this is a really great value for everything you get. Opening it up, you get the thermometer, a temperature guide, and a few extra accessories. Here is everything in detail, starting with the temperature guide. It's super handy for checking safe cooking temps and USDA minimum requirements. Next up, we have this round plastic heat tool and an included CR2032 battery. Now, here is the thermometer itself. This loop at the end makes it easy to hang up or spin around like I'm doing. On the front, it actually prints the most common safe temperatures right on the body so you don't have to memorize the guide, along with 3 simple control buttons. Flipping it over to the back, this is where you use that round plastic tool to open the battery compartment. And look at that, it actually comes with a battery already installed. That means the extra battery they gave us is a bonus spare. Moving on to the probe. It's nice and sharp, so it glides right into meat. And it responds very quickly to temperature changes. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit using this button. And there's also a backlight button for the screen, which is actually much brighter than I expected. The hold button freezes the reading on the display so you can easily check the temperature after moving it away from the heat. Plus, folding the probe back in automatically turns the thermometer off, and opening it back up turns it right back on. Lastly, the back is magnetic. It has a decent hold and works best on flat metal surfaces like your fridge. Overall, this thermometer offers an incredible value for what you get, and I definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!